is DDW0937. Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Albayer Palipan. I am 35 years old. My height is 151 cm. My weight is 45 kg. I am high school graduate. I am an Islam. I am single. No children. I have 5 siblings, 2 girls and 3 boys. I have experience working as a domestic helper in the rain for 2 years since 2014 to 2016. My main duties is to taking care of the 4 years old. The house is laundry house. Have 4 rooms and 2 toilets. Do simple cooking for Arabic food. Do laundry, cooking, and wash dishes. Second country is in Kuwait. 2017 to 2019, my main duty is to take care of the 1-year-old and newborn baby. I do simple cooking for Arabic food. Do household for third country is Singapore. In 2022 to 2025, the main duty is taking care of 1 and 5 years old. Also do cooking and cleaning, ironing, washing, and marketing. I am willing to accept the job, take care the baby, take care the elderly. I'm willing to take 1 day off in a month. To my employer, if you give me a chance to work for your family, I will work hard. Responsible, I will treat your child as my own. I am a fast learner that initiative. Thank you, Mom and Sir.